This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stuff on Nookazon. First, you'll need to create an account on the Nookazon website or app. Make sure to link your Nintendo Switch Online profile so buyers know you're a legitimate player. Once set up, you can begin listing items you wish to sell. Specify the quantity you have and the item's condition. Finally, set your desired price, whether it's in bells or Nook Miles tickets, to attract potential buyers. To make your listings stand out, use clear and descriptive titles. High-quality images of your items are also crucial, as they help buyers visualize what they're getting. Don't forget to specify any variations, colors, or custom designs your item might have. Being transparent about how many items you have available and your preferred delivery method, like dropping off or picking up, will build trust with potential customers. Once your items are listed, you'll start receiving offers. It's important to respond promptly to buyer inquiries and offers to keep the process moving smoothly. Utilize Nookazon's built-in messaging system to coordinate all the trade details, such as the exact time and location. Always confirm specifics like dodo codes and the items being exchanged before inviting anyone to your island or visiting theirs. When the time for the trade arrives, ensure both you and the buyer are present and ready to complete the exchange. Efficiently drop off or pick up the agreed-upon items, whether it's on your island or the buyer's. After a successful transaction, it's a great practice to leave honest and fair feedback for the other player. This helps build your seller reputation and contributes to a trustworthy Nookazon community for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.